In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Apex Legends is unable to start the game and crashing on startup. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to come here and search for run, type in %temp%. In here you want to delete all files. If this pops up, just check this and press skip. And we're just going to skip all the files that it says right here. There we go. Then what you want to do is find Apex Legends, right click, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, come up here and press Browse, open up Easy Anti-Cheat, right click on the setup and run as an administrator, and then it should be a quick black box for like 1 second, and then you want to try and launch the game. If this still doesn't work, come back here and find the .exe R5 Apex, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Once you've done that, try and launch the game and then see if it works now. Now you also want to do it from this one. So come here, boom, 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 and just like that. Now try and launch it again and see if it works. If it still doesn't work for some reason, the only other option you have is to try and reinstall the game and see if that works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.